welcome back to your fave channel, ZohVlogs. And today's video is going to be really very delicious. I'm so excited for this video. In this video, my mom, the amazing cook, is going to make Paneer Chilli dry. And I'm so excited to have it because I was dying to have it since a long time. So here it goes. Without further ado, let's get started.
So excited. Let's see the ingredients we need. Green chili, capsicum, coriander, onion, green onion leaves, finely chopped garlic and ginger.
Now take a small bowl, put soya sauce in it, add green chili sauce, add sugar, add vinegar, add ketchup, then add Ajinomoto. It's optional. Add corn flour in a bowl, mix it with water and mix it nicely. Now add black pepper and salt in it and mix it nicely. Now cut paneer into cubes or whatever shape you desire. Now put oil in a pan. Sprinkle corn flour on the paneer to make it more crispy. This is a chef tip. Then dip it in the corn flour mixture and put it in the oil. Fry it until it's golden and brown. Remove it from the oil and put it in a plate. Then again add oil in a pan. Now add onion and capsicum cubes in the pan. Saute it, but don't saute it a lot or it will not be crunchy. Now remove it and put it in a plate. Now add garlic and ginger in the oil. Saute it until it's golden and brown. Then add green chili in it. Then add the sauce that we made. Cook it well. Now add the fried paneer in it and the green onion leaves. Then add some coriander. And then add the capsicum and onion we sauteed. Cook it well. Then add some salt in it. Remove it in the serving bowl and garnish it with sauteed sesame seeds. Guys, now I'm super duper excited because I get to have this paneer chilli. This looks so yummy. So now I'm gonna taste this. Wow, this is so delicious. I can have this all day. This is so yummy. I wish y'all could taste it. Well, y'all can if you try this at your house. Please do try this and comment down below how it turned out. That was it for today's video. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and share my videos. Bye guys, meet you in my next vlog.